Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is about influencer marketing. So let's get started. तो सबसे पहले समझते हैं कि influencer marketing होता क्या है. What is influencer marketing? So basically it's a type of marketing where brands collaborate with influencers or famous personalities. So why they collaborate with these influencers? That is to promote their products or services. Now, how will a business be benefited by collaborating with influencers? So, few influencers have loyal following. So, by their recommendations, their audience will buy our products or slash our services, and it will help us to drive sales. And it can also help us to increase our brand awareness. So, now let's see few tips which you should remember while doing influencer marketing. So, the number one point is to identify the right platform. Now see, not all influencers are the good fit for a brand, that is a product or service. Collaborate with such influencers with whom a brand, that is a product or service aligns, and also our audience matches their type of audience. For example, if you are a beauty brand, you have launched a lipstick. अगर आप ये लिपस्टिक किसी ऐसे इन्फ्लुएंसर से प्रमोट कराओगे जो सिर्फ एजुकेशन का कंटेंट बनाता है तो कोई फ़ायदा नहीं होगा. इंस्टेड यू शुड कोलैबोरेट विद सच इन्फ्लुएंसर whose niche is beauty, makeup. सो कीप दिस थिंग इन माइंड कि आपका जो प्रोडक्ट और सर्विस है वो इन्फ्लुएंसर की नीश से मैच होना चाहिए एंड ऑल्सो उसकी ऑडियंस की टाइप हमारी ऑडियंस से सिमिलर होनी चाहिए. नाउ द सेकेंड पॉइंट इज टू बिल्ड रिलेशनशिप. This means before reaching out to any influencer, make sure you are following them, you are engaging with their content, you know what they are posting, do a little bit research about them. If you do so, then the collab between the two, that is the influencer and the business, will be more authentic. The next point is to be clear with your goals. That is, आपको आपके ब्रांड का गोल क्लियर होना चाहिए. दैट इज आपको ब्रांड अवेयरनेस करवानी है, आपको सेल्स लानी है, सो दैट द इन्फ्लुएंसर अंडरस्टैंड्स दैट व्हाट इज योर एम विच यू वांट टू अचीव. द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज टू गिव क्रिएटिव फ्रीडम. दैट इज टू गिव क्रिएटिव फ्रीडम टू द इन्फ्लुएंसर. अब वो इन्फ्लुएंसर दैट इज जो पर्सन होगा उसको उसकी ऑडियंस के बारे में ज़्यादा पता होगा. आपको बस थोड़े गाइडलाइंस प्रोवाइड कर देने हैं आपके बिजनेस के बारे में या तो आपके प्रोडक्ट के बारे में, and let them use their creativity to showcase your brand. Next point is fair compensation. Influencers do lot of work while making the content. So make sure they're getting a fair payment and also perks other than the products and payments. Fair compensation builds goodwill and it encourages long-term partnerships. Now the next point is to track and measure results. This means to see the engagement, the reach, conversation rates, and the last thing is to follow up and give appreciation. Give them feedback. This will help you build a good relationship and also for future collabs this will be very useful. This will also help you create a long-term partnership with that influencer. So that's all for today's video. Hit that like button, share and subscribe for more such tips and tricks. Thank you for watching and also let me know in the comment section what all videos you guys want me to make.